This is an electronic harness. Electronic control unit, the heart of the whole system. Two standard version reducers in this case. Copper pipes to provide gas connections. Gas phase filters, in this case with 4 outlets because we use single injectors. 2 pieces of electro valves, clamps, T-fittings and other accessories. Sensors, a changeover switch, a map sensor. Montage kits for reducers and injectors. ECU, the device which controls the whole system operation. With the harness, of course. The harness has connectors for every single sensor. Thanks to it, the connection with the engine is possible, as well as with other gas components. Injectors are responsible for gas dosing. This is a calibration nozzle. Its size is chosen due to the formula for certain engine power and number of cylinders. The nozzle is installed in the injector. This is the gas inlet. This is the gas outlet. Gas comes out from the injector to the nozzle through the gas hose, which is installed in the engine's inlet manifold, next to petrol injectors. The gas phase filter must be installed between the injectors and the reducer. We will use 2 filters in this case. The next component is reducer. For its proper operation, the hot liquid must go through the reducer from the engine's cooling system through these 2 plastic stabs. The reducer's temperature sensor must be connected here. This is the gas outlet. This is the connection for vacuum from the inlet manifold. This is the gas inlet. There is the pressure regulation screw on the reducer. Reducers are regulated in our factory. The reducer's mounting hole. Before reducer, there must be the electro valve, where a liquid phase filter is integrated in. The liquid phase filter keeps most of the dirtiness out of the reducer. In this bag, we have all electrical components. This is a reducer's temperature sensor equipped with a plug. It should be installed here. In case of 2 reducers in the system, it is enough to install it only on one of them. Another sensor. The gas temperature sensor. It must be installed between the reducer and injectors. It is equipped with a plug. It has the stab for gas pressure measurement, which must be connected with a map sensor. This is the map sensor. The stab for gas measurement is marked with the symbol pressure. Both stops must be connected to each other. Another stop, in MAP sensor, must be connected to the vacuum, preferably near to the inlet manifold strut, a fuse and a fuse case. Plastic T-fittings, which are used for vacuum signal separation or for two reducers connection. We have two pieces of T-fittings in this kit. This is the T-fitting for liquid LPG, 8mm inlet and two 6mm outlets. It is used for gas separation between two reducers. The T-fitting is inside the montage bag, the T-fitting for cooling system. For this T-fitting connection to the cooling system, we use clamp size 16-27mm. The clamp size is always here. This is a T-fitting for gas pressure stabilization at reducers outlets. There are two pieces of T-fittings in every 8-cylinder kit. We use here clamp size 12-22mm. Here we have a vacuum nozzle, which is used for vacuum connection to the reducers and the MAP sensor. This is a clamp for vacuum hoses. This is the copper pipes mounting, which should be mounted in this way. We mount the fitting to the floor with the screw, for instance. The clamp, which is used for injector hoses and inlet manifolds nozzle. For hoses with gas under the pressure, we use twisted clamps in size 8-12mm. Now we start the reducers mounting. The way of installation should be chosen in such way that the free access is guaranteed for connecting hoses and wires to the reducer. It is recommended to use the original vehicle screw to mount the reducer and its components. This is where we mount one of the reducers. The second one will be placed lower. Both reducers' locations must provide the easy access to their inlets and outlets to allow the installer to check eventual leakages. Using the water spring is recommended to avoid hose obstruction. Reducer's connection is done with copper pipes. Now we installed nozzles. We chose size 2.5 for 8-cylinder engine 300 horsepower. The proper nozzle size was counted with the formula. The calibration nozzle must be mounted in this way. The injector is ready for installation. For nozzles installation, we use medium-strength glue for threads. It guarantees tightness and helps avoiding nozzles turning. Reducer's temperature sensor. If there are two reducers installed in the car, this sensor must be installed on one of them. We installed the sensor between water outlets. This is the filling point. To fill the gas, we take off the cap. We screw in the filling valve and we may start filling the gas. We will use thermoplastic pipe to connect reducers with the tank. We provide gas level indication wires and electrovalve power supply line, together with copper or thermoplastic pipe.
Thank you.
gas electro valves connection. Thank you for your attention. Greetings from Versusgas team.